Hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. I'm going to show you how you can save a ton of money by making your own custom electric fireplace. With some imagination and some basic woodworking techniques, you can turn this into this. Let's get started. Once you have a design in mind, you have to build a frame for the insert this in. This one called for an opening of 33 inches by 26 inches. After you build the frame for the insert, the next step is to cover the frame. You could use sheetrock for this. I opted for 1/2 inch plywood. The options you decide for your fireplace are endless. I wanted to add some shelves to the side of mine. I opted for a more minimal look, so I added some edge banding to hide the ply in the plywood. Here's a pro tip. Give all the inside faces of your shelves or cabinets a coat of paint before you assemble them. You'll thank me later. Shelves, like cabinets, can be put together with many different types of joinery. I haven't used my biscuit joiner in a while, so I decided to give it a whirl. By using glue and biscuits for my joinery, you don't have to worry about any nail holes to fill in. Now that the frame is done and the shelves are built, we can tie them all together with some crown and base molding. Fill in the seams with some wood putty, caulk, or spackle. Since I wanted to finish the fireplace with paint, spackle is a great choice and can be used to hide some imperfections in the plywood. Finally, it's time for installation. And here, the final reveal.